Hi everyone, welcome back to Whiteboard Math. Today we will cover matrix multiplication. Make sure you watch my introductory video on matrices before watching this video. It will definitely make this video clearer. Without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this. To be allowed to multiply matrices, for example matrix X and matrix Y, it is necessary that matrix Y has the same number of rows as the number of columns in matrix X. You can see both matrices we use for this example on your screen now. In our example, matrix X is a matrix of order 2 times 3, and matrix Y is of order 3 times 2, making it possible to multiply the two matrices. The new matrix Z is then of order 2 times 2, the number of rows of matrix X and the number of columns of matrix Y. I know that you think, how did he find the values of matrix C? Don't worry, we'll get to that after we covered a little bit more background information. But what is a clear way of finding out if multiplication is possible and what the order of the new matrix is? There's an easy trick to find this out. This is the order of matrix X. And this is the order of matrix Y. If the second number of the order of matrix X is equal to the first number of the order of matrix Y, multiplication is possible. The new matrix has the order of the first number of matrix X and the second number of matrix Y. In this case, it is of order 2 times 2. Now that we have seen the multiplication of matrix X with matrix Y, do you think it's also possible to multiply matrix Y with matrix X? Let's find out. As we have already seen, matrix Y is of order 3 times 2, and matrix X is a matrix of order 2 times 3. Remember that to be able to multiply matrices, it is necessary that matrix X has the same number of rows as the number of columns in matrix Y. Therefore, this multiplication is also possible. The order of the new matrix is 3 times 3. Note that if matrix Y had been of order 3 times 3, instead of 3 times 2, it would not have been possible to multiply the two matrices. Why not? I give you a couple of seconds to think of an answer. Perfect! If matrix Y had been of order 3 times 3, there are 3 columns. This is not the same number as the number of rows in matrix X, which is 2. Now that we have covered the theory behind matrix multiplication, it is now time to solve the problem we encountered earlier. Can you find out how we get the solution? I will again give you a couple of seconds. "30 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 5 times 4. 3 is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1 times 3 plus 5 times 0. 16 is equal to 3 times 4 plus 2 times 2 plus 0 times 4. And 6 is equal to 3 times 0 plus 2 times 3 plus 0 times 0. That's how we find the answer. That brings us to the end of the video. If you learned something, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It absolutely means the world to me. See you in my next video.